back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going through my skincare with you guys, and the skincare here is something I'm gonna really use all the time. I probably use it whenever I have dark spots or if I have a breakout, which is usually either when I'm really stressed or I'm on my period. So at the moment I just came off, so you can see I have a few dark spots at the moment. These are not normally there, so this is when I use my skincare routine. So most of it is natural and most of the stuff I get from Body Shop. So we're going to start with the turmeric mask. This is homemade. I use turmeric, apple cider vinegar, honey, and I'm just going to use my brush and apply it to my face. And I normally let this stay on for like 15 minutes. But if you're gonna make this from home, try to use the use lemon juice instead of the apple cider vinegar because it's quite strong for your skin. So if you have sensitive skin, then I'd recommend that. I wouldn't say I have sensitive skin. Let me just apply. And apple cider vinegar kind of burn your eye because it's burning my eye right now. So try to not put it too close to your eye. So that's done. Now we wait for 15 minutes and then we'll wash it off. While you have on the turmeric mask, make sure you try to not put your face against anything because the turmeric stain, you know, ochre stain, I said the turmeric stain. I wouldn't want to have a stain up close. And then I just wash out my brush the same time the minute I finish using it. So guys, 15 minutes has passed and it's time to remove the turmeric face mask. So I'm going to use this homemade body scrub. This is what it looks like, and this is really going to exfoliate the skin and get rid of all of the dead cells. So we're gonna use this for wash off our face, and then mega use the tea tree face mask. Mega use the tea tree face wipes because it took a while to remove the yellow undertone with turmeric leaf for your face, and we don't want that. So I'm gonna use the face wipes to get rid of the remaining substance. I'm gonna turn it so they can see what's going on. Yeah. Same look yellow. I don't like that. So get rid of the turmeric now. We're gonna use this. I like use this though because this feels so good for your face, not good. Come here. This feels so good for your face. You guys can see that yellow undertone from the turmeric. I will just exfoliate the skin now. You guys should also exfoliate your body. So for the people and when I use body scrub on them body, you need to catch up and start so that your skin can feel nice and smooth. Nobody don't want a crocodile skin next to them or rub, you understand? So use the things then. I feel like my face can wash one more time to get rid of them excess turmeric lining here, and then I'll weed that. But differently, I have good skin though, so if the skincare don't work for no, it's not my fault because I have good genes over here, you understand? You can help with the fun part there. But this work and it's affordable and it's simple and then a bag of drama. this acid, that acid. No, I am no skincare guru to be performing that, so this just I forgot do. And this get the job done. But you guys need to remember that other than having a skincare routine, you also need to make sure that you're drinking a lot of water and you're changing your bed sheets and your pillowcase. You have to make sure so whatever you lay your head, it's clean. I think this is the job now. I have to scrub out the turmeric. That's the only thing I like, but I enjoy the whole process of the skincare routine. Whenever I use the body scrub, it feels like it's wake up my skin. Like my skin just feel alive now. It just feel like it's a tingle, if that makes sense. It just a tingle. So I just finished wash it with the body scrub, and you can see I still have some residue of the turmeric in my hairline. So mega use this tea tree face wipes from the Body Shop to just get rid of the excess coloring. Anybody trying to like yellow in these streets? Okay, honey. Who out here want look yellow like SpongeBob? Not me. Look at yellow. So at this me talk about, you have to wipe out on the skin. You have to wipe your skin properly when you use the turmeric. I don't know if it's all turmeric product leave this residue, but you guys get the point. And then we're just gonna use one more extra one now because that ain't look right. Before we tone our skin, girl. Then we just have 2 more steps and then we're done. Tone our skin. So I'm just gonna do one more wipe with the tea tree face wipes from the Body Shop. With the turmeric is that if you don't wash your face properly, when you put on your shirt and your clothes or lay down, you could just constantly have this yellow curry color, like that kind of residue all over your stuff. And we don't want that. We don't want that. This is my skin. This is what my skin looks like, okay? So I'm gonna use the toner now. So we're going to go in. I use a lot of tea tree stuff. Now we're going to go in with this toner. I'm going to see if I can find the link and I'll drop it in the description box below. And we're just gonna put it on some cotton bud and put it in our skin. So my skin feel alive, girl. Alive so till it so starts staying. So look guys, I'm putting it in the cotton bud. I don't know why it's so in there, but I'm putting it in the cotton bud and then I'm gonna just tone my face. And I don't do the skincare all the time, like I said. It's literally whenever I realize that I have a breakout or I have a few dark spots, then I'll do the skincare, which is probably like once a month, probably twice a month, if a bitch got the time, okay? The tea tree toner, it have a little sting to it, like it will make your eye get red because and watery because the scent quite high. So I just finished toning my skin. So when we're finished toning, then we're gonna go in with this to just moisturize the skin. Whenever you're using this, make sure that you don't put the spout. Make sure that you don't put the spout on your skin because that's how you transmit the bacteria. Okay, girlfriend. Then I'm just gonna put some Vaseline on my lips. So after you finish using the Body Shop gel, the next thing that I do is use shea butter to moisturize my skin. And this is just the organic one that we bought, and we just pour it in our next container. So it's quite hard. I know you can see it's quite hard to come up, but once we get it up, we just moisturize it into the skin. If you have any other organic oil, you can use it. It's just as good, but you just need to bear in mind that the gel really, it makes your skin dry. Like, look at my skin at the moment, it's quite dry. So you need to trap some more moisture into the skin, and shea butter does that well for me. So that's what I use, girl. So this is the end of the skincare routine. Our skin is toned and moisturized and clean, girl. So we is done for the day, you know, and it's bedtime. So if you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. This is what my skin looks like. Up close. Guys, I'm the only person when I do my skincare, I feel like say my whole life in order and my on the track, my on the road to success. Wanna tell me, guys? I can't be the only one. Just cause my skin ain't dry, I feel like I am Beyonce. That's on what? That's on what? Here we go.